Good morning. You're watching NDTV 24/7. Our top story at this hour, the amended Nuclear Liability Bill has meant a bigger worry than the draft it presented in Parliament with the word "and" used. Now, the supplier liability finds no takers and the government is desperate to win the BJP's support on it yet again. Now, the minister in charge, Prithviraj Chavan, met BJP's Arun Jaitley in a bid to end the stalemate over the issue. With no conclusions yet, the discussions will continue. So what are the government's options? The government is desperate to end the crisis.
So are you willing to drop the words intent? I think that's crucial. What is your reaction to that?
I'm willing to consider any suggestion that comes from political parties. We'll consider it with open mind so that we continue this broad consensus that we have brought on this very complex piece of legislation. The 18 amendments that you brought, 17 are acceptable. We accepted all the suggestions of major political parties and the standing committee, and I'm sure we'll be able to work consensus on this contentious issue also.
A last-ditch attempt at resolving the government-opposition deadlock over the Nuclear Liability Bill. Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Prithviraj Chavan met leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha Arun Jaitley and may have come up with at least a way to move ahead. Government sources say that the two are discussing 4 options to resolve the crisis. Option 1 and 2 amend the draft after tabling, either remove the word intent that was surreptitiously inserted and led to the latest deadlock, or change the language, also since the current language is being perceived as harsh by suppliers, both international and domestic. Option 3 is to send the bill back to the standing committee, but in this case it is unlikely to be passed before Obama's visit in November. Option 4, have a liability clause in every contract signed with the suppliers.
This is brought at the behest of the United States of America. They want to sell their nuclear reactors to India, and they want that if they sell nuclear reactors, if there's a nuclear accident, those companies should have no liability. That is the purpose of this bill. I think it's a shameful thing that you need a bill like this.
But if the government has some different intent in adding a word intent and keeping the word intent, then I don't think it would be easy for the Bharatiya Janata Party to support the bill in the present form.
The Congress's political worry is that bulldozing the bill past dissenting left and right might generate bad publicity, since the bill deals with an Aam Aadmi issue, compensation for potential victims of nuclear disasters. Nevertheless, the government is ready with Plan B, and the salary hike for members of parliament is being seen as an attempt to get Lalu Yadav and Mulayam Singh Yadav on board. One single clause in the Nuclear Liability Bill has become an albatross around the government's neck. That is why the opposition is sensing a political opportunity. Now the government's options are limited. It has to either give in to the demands of the right and the left or be exposed to the arm twisting of the Yadavs. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastav for NDTV.